Pioneers in Healthcare. Part 1. Pioneers in healthcare have played a crucial role in shaping modern medicine through innovation, discovery, and compassion. These individuals, from ancient physicians to contemporary scientists, introduced groundbreaking ideas and practices that transformed diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Their tireless efforts laid the foundation for medical advancements that continue to improve lives around the world today. 1. Acharya Charaka, 4th century BCE. Acharya Charaka is regarded as one of the principal contributors to Ayurveda. He authored the Charaka Sanhita, a foundational text of ancient Indian medicine. His work emphasized diagnosis, prevention, and holistic treatment. 2. Yelapragada Subbarao, year 1895 to 1948. An Indian biochemist, Yelapragada Subbarao discovered essential cancer-fighting drugs and antibiotics. He developed treatments like tetracycline and paved the way for chemotherapy. His research had a lasting global impact. 3. William Harvey, year 1578 to 1657. An English physician, William Harvey was the first to describe the full circulation of blood in the human body. He demonstrated how the heart pumps blood, revolutionizing medical understanding of physiology. 4. Andreas Vesalius, year 1514 to 1564. A Flemish anatomist, Andreas Vesalius is known for his detailed studies of human anatomy. His book, De Humani Corporis Fabrica, challenged long-standing anatomical theories and transformed medical education. 5. Willem Einthoven, year 1860 to 1927. A Dutch physiologist, Willem Einthoven invented the electrocardiogram, ECG or EKG. His innovation allowed for the non-invasive recording of heart activity, revolutionizing cardiac diagnostics. 6. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, year 1632 to 1723. Known as the father of microbiology, Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe microorganisms using microscopes he built himself. His discoveries laid the foundation for microbiology. 7. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, year 1845 to 1923. A German physicist, Röntgen discovered X-rays in 1895. His groundbreaking work enabled non-invasive internal imaging and earned him the first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. 8. Charles Richard Drew, year 1904 to 1950. An American surgeon, Drew developed large-scale blood banks and improved blood storage techniques. His work saved countless lives during World War II and laid the foundation for modern transfusion medicine. 9. Walter Reed, year 1851 to 2002. A U.S. Army physician, Walter Reed led the team that confirmed yellow fever is transmitted by mosquitoes. His research helped control epidemics and changed public health practices. 10. Christiaan Neethling Barnard, year 1922 to 2001. A South African cardiac surgeon, Barnard performed the world's first successful human heart transplant in 1967. His work marked a milestone in the field of organ transplantation. 11. Sushruta, flourished century to 6th century BCE. An ancient Indian surgeon, Sushruta is considered the father of surgery. His treatise, the Sushruta Sanhita, detailed surgical techniques including plastic surgery and cataract removal. 12. Colin Albert Murdoch, year 1929 to 2008. A New Zealand pharmacist and veterinarian, Murdoch invented the disposable syringe. His innovation greatly reduced the risk of infection in medical procedures. 13. Sir Ronald Ross, year 1857 to 1932. A British medical doctor, Ross discovered that malaria is transmitted by mosquitoes. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1902 for this breakthrough in tropical medicine. 14. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, year 1686 to 1736. A physicist and inventor, Fahrenheit developed the mercury thermometer and the Fahrenheit temperature scale. His work standardized temperature measurement in medicine and science. 15. Joseph Lister, year 1827 to 1912. A British surgeon, Lister pioneered antiseptic surgery using carbolic acid to prevent infection. His practices dramatically improved surgical outcomes and patient survival. 16. Gregory Goodwin Pincus, year 1903 to 1967. An American biologist, Pincus co-invented the first oral contraceptive pill. His work played a vital role in reproductive health and women's rights. 17. Edward Jenner, year 1749 to 1823. An English physician, Jenner developed the first successful smallpox vaccine. His method of using cowpox for immunization laid the foundation for modern vaccinology. 18. Sir Frederick Grant Banting, year 1891 to 1941. A Canadian medical scientist, Banting co-discovered insulin as a treatment for diabetes. He received the Nobel Prize in 1923, making him one of the youngest laureates ever. 19. Sir Frederick Gowland Hopkins, year 1861 to 1947. A British biochemist, Hopkins discovered essential dietary factors now known as vitamins. His work highlighted the importance of micronutrients in human health. 20. Emil Theodor Kocher, year 1841 to 1917. A Swiss surgeon, Kocher was a pioneer in thyroid surgery and medical sterilization. He won the Nobel Prize in 1909 for his contributions to physiology and surgery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.